This morning, Luigi Mangione is expected to plead guilty to federal charges just weeks before his state murder trial is set to begin. Sources say the announcement is expected at a hearing in New York today. Legal experts say Mangione's guilty plea in the federal case could potentially allow him to avoid the state trial.
If he was ever going to have an argument about double jeopardy, this is the way to do it. Plead guilty in the federal case, make an argument in New York State where it's very protective against double jeopardy that he shouldn't be tried again.
Mangione faces 2 counts of federal stalking, resulting in the death of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson, who was gunned down on a New York sidewalk in 2024. Police say the words delay, deny, and depose were written on the ammunition, echoing a phrase used by insurance industry critics to describe how insurers avoid paying claims. A 5-day manhunt ended with Mangione's arrest in Pennsylvania. The Justice Department originally wanted the death penalty, but a judge threw out the federal murder charges in January, taking execution off the table.
I will bet that one of the requirements for Mangione is going to be that he wants to speak. He wants to make a statement. He wants to talk to the judge, but really to the world.
Many questions remain ahead of today's hearing, such as what charges Mangione will plead guilty to? What will he get in return? And even if he does plead guilty in the federal case, will prosecutors argue that the state charges are different enough to proceed with next month's trial?
I think it's likely that a state case would still happen. It might be more narrowed, but more likely than not, state prosecutors would be able to argue that it's just a different crime.
The federal stalking charges that Mangione faces carry a maximum penalty of life in prison without parole.